Of all of the things that upset home vegetable growers, leaf, flower and fruit-eating bugs top the list. So how can you produce food at home without using deadly chemicals? Well, coming up, I'm going to show you a weekend project that could save your tomatoes, potatoes and cabbage from being attacked. The idea is to create an exclusion cover consisting of a fine mesh that prevents butterflies, moths, whiteflies and beetles from getting anywhere near your precious homegrown food plants. Holman have come to the rescue with a range of Australian-manufactured recycled PVC pipe and fittings. Now these fit together just with a bit of pressure, almost like a Lego set. It's really easy, so you certainly won't need any glue. And the range of sizes, well, they start out at 15mm going up to 40. Now for this project, we're working on 25mm pipe. Draw up a plan so you can buy the necessary fittings and pipe, which are all available from your nearest Bunnings warehouse. Also, you can pick up shade mesh or bird netting while you're there. There are crosses, 3-, 4- and 5-way fittings to get you around all the corners. And when it comes to attaching the shade cloth, these EzyFit clips are just the shot. So you just put it over the shade cloth, clip it on, and it grips like a beauty. Being lightweight makes it easy to position over the crop and to lift it up when you need to feed your plants or harvest the crop. A light cover can also offer protection for your vegetables from very hot sun. Well, the protective mesh is on. Now let's go and put it in position. Once you get the hang of this system, the possibilities for weekend projects are many. So you can make up some soccer goals for the kids, or some fishing rod holders, even a bed for the dog, or a miniature cubby house. So get out there and have a bit of creative fun this weekend.